It's not simply a matter of doing more. It's also about approaching the questions more efficiently as well. And so that involves refining and honing the way that you're going in from the beginning. So having a step-by-step process every single time, knowing, okay, well, I'm going to read the argument and look for the conclusion. Then I'm going to look for the evidence. Then I will evaluate the method of reasoning to see how they go about making their argument. What kind of reasoning are they using? It might involve looking at the question stem even before that to know the proper perspective from which to go in, and having all of that mapped out and burnt into your memory so that every single time you approach it exactly the same way and you're not thinking through the steps in the moment, you're just executing on them. You have that raw intuition how to go about it because you've done it so many times, it becomes innate. Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I wish you all the best and take care.